Hello together. In today's video I will show you how to write simple cells from ABAP to an Excel and how to change the dimension of the columns and rows. I use the open source tool abap2xlsx for this. So let's start with declaring the objects. I write data O_xl is new set cl_excel Next, I create the object for the worksheet with data O_xl_ws is O_xl get active worksheet. The next step is we set a title with O_xl_ws with the method set title, and I name my sheet test Excel. Next, we create two cells with the command O_xl_ws set cell. Then I pass here three parameters. First, IP column is A. Next, IP row is 1, and the value itself with IP value. And here I write hello. This is my first Next, let's copy this line and paste it here, and we change the column from A to B, and we change the value, and here we write Excel. Okay, so the next step is we have to convert the data to XML with data O_xl writer is cast set if Excel writer new set cl Excel writer 2007. So the interface set if Excel writer defines the methods and attributes for converting an Excel object into an XML file. With a new Excel version, you would simply have to adapt the class. Okay, next, we create the XML data with data lv_xl xml data is O_xl writer, the method write file. And here I pass the Excel O_xl. Okay, now we already have created the XML file, and now we want to download the Excel. And here we create the raw data tab with data IT raw data. We need this file for the GUI download is cl_bcs convert x string to solix exporting iv x string, and here I pass my XML data, lvxl XML data. And next we do the GUI download with CL GUI frontend services. So let's press enter here for better structure. And here we write a GUI download, exporting. Here we need 3 parameters, the file name, and I name my Excel simple excel1.xlsx. Next, the file type. This is binary. And the bin file size is x string length of my XML data. So I write here lvxl XML data. Then the changing parameter data tab, and here I pass the raw data, IT raw data. Okay, so let's pretty print and let's run the code, or activate first. Now run the code. Okay, Excel is downloaded. So let's open the Explorer and double click on the Excel file. Okay, and here we see the Excel file, 2 cells. We see here the title of our sheet. And next, I want to adjust the dimension of the cells. I want to widen the column and change the height of the row. And in my second cell, I want to use a carriage return line feed. So how can we do this? First, we need an carriage return line feed here. For this, I use here a string template and the class CL ABAP character utilities. So I open the bracket here and I type CL ABAP character utilities. And I write here carriage return line feed. Then I close the bracket and I write here the text width. I copy this. And I paste it here. And then I write here ABAP. So I want to display in the second cell Excel with ABAP and with carriage return line feed. Okay, and next I want to change the dimension of my two cells. First, the dimension of the row with data cal_dim is OXLWS get column. And here I pass the column. IP column equals A. And next, we change the width of the column. I write here cal_dim and I set the width with IP underscore width is 25. So this command should widen our cell, our column. Next, I want to change the dimension of my row. I write here OXLWS get row. And here I pass the parameter IP row and I set here 1 for the first row. And next we change the dimension, the height of this row with set row height. And the parameter is IP row height. Is 50. So, and this should change the height of our first row in the Excel. So let's pretty print and activate the code. Okay, we have a typo here. There is a T missing. Activate again. Row dim is unknown. Okay, it's not a column row, it's row dim. So row underscore dim. Okay, let's activate again and let's run the code. The Excel is downloaded. Let's open the Excel. Okay, and we see here the two values, the two cells, and you see that the column has been widened and also the height of the row has been adjusted. So yes, this is an easy way to set the cells to an Excel file and how to use the add-on abap2xlsx. Yes, that was now a short introduction. Have fun trying out the really many features. If you want to support me and my work, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. I would be happy if you click on my next upcoming video. Thank you and see you soon.